Hello everyone, Ojisan here. Today we are going to one of the biggest and most famous winter festival in Korea, the Hwacheon Sancheoneo Ice Festival. If you are watching this video, you probably already know how beautiful and unique this festival is, but maybe you're wondering, how do I actually get there from Seoul? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to reach Hwacheon step by step. This festival is a big event, even among locals, and getting there can be a bit tricky if it's your first time. So, let's go through your options. The first way is by train and bus. You can take the ITX train from Yongsan Station to Chuncheon Station. The ticket costs 9,800 won one way, and the ride takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once you arrive at Chuncheon Station, head to the bus stop across the street and take an intercity bus to Hwacheon. That ticket costs around 5,800 won and the ride is about 1 more hour. It's a bit of a journey, but it's smooth and gives you a nice countryside view of Gangwon province along the way. The second option, and the one we personally choose, is taking a direct intercity bus from Dong Seoul Bus Terminal. Dong actually means east, so it's also known as East Seoul Bus Terminal, which is located just across the Gangbyeon train station. From there, you can ride straight to Hwacheon Bus Terminal with no transfer. The ticket costs 14,400 won one way, and the first bus departs as early as 6:45 a.m., which is exactly the one we are on right now. Once you arrive at the terminal, just find your platform number printed on the ticket. The bus to Hwacheon usually located toward the far end of the station. In our case, the bus will depart on platform 36. The ride will take about 3 hours, so it's a good idea to bring some snacks or a hot drink for the road. Now, here's a little tip that's really important, especially if you're a tourist like me. You can't buy the intercity bus ticket online unless you have a local address or a Korean card. So, what we did was buy the ticket in person on our first day in Seoul. We visited the Dongseol bus terminal and bought our tickets from the ticket machine there. It's easy to use, but note that some machines only accept cash or local cards. So just prepare some cash to be safe. The bus will make a brief stop in Namchuncheon and Chuncheon station to pick up some passengers. Now that we have arrived in Hwacheon Bus Terminal, we just need to walk about 10 minutes to the Ice Festival. But before that, I have another small tip. Once you arrive at Hwacheon, it's a good idea to buy your return ticket to Seoul right away before heading to the festival. That way, you don't risk missing the afternoon bus if it's fully booked. That's all the travel info I wanted to share with you today. In the next video, we'll dive into the fun part, our full experience at the Hwacheon Sancheoneo Ice Festival itself. I'll show you the amazing atmosphere, the frozen river, the food, and all the excitement that makes this event so special. If this video helped you plan your trip, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching everyone. May you find joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.